How to check your annual credit report for free. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I will simply guide you on how you can check your annual credit report for free, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So it's better to sometimes look at your annual credit report rather than having to look at a credit score every time. Now your annual report are what your credit scores are actually based off of, right? And you can check this online for free with different types of credit report websites such as TransUnion, Experian, or even Equifax. But the only downside of this is that by the law, these type of websites should actually be able to give you your credit report or the annual credit report for free, but only once a year, which means that you can only view it for free once a year, right? So instead, what I'd recommend you do is you have Equifax and you have Experian, and then you have the TransUnion, right? You can check for 4 months. After the 4 months, you can check in TransUnion, and the next 4 months you can just check in Experian, and then the next 4 months you can basically check it in the Equifax website. And by the time it's 12 months, again you can simply check after 4 months on the TransUnion website, because the 12 months is already passed by and the annual 12 months plan will actually go, and you can check it each 4 months if you want to have a look at a more comprehensive look instead of having to wait a year at each of these websites, because I've just provided 3 different services. Or else what you could do is you can just come to this website called annualcreditreport.com, right? I'll make sure to drop a link below. It only works in the US, of course, and you want to go to annualcreditreport.com, and then you can say request your free credit report. So you can basically just tap on this option. Then it's going to ask you to fill out a form. So fill out a form, then pick the reports that you want, such as get your credit reports from whether Equifax or Experian or TransUnion. Remember, you can only get once from each of these. Then you can request and review your reports online. Then you can repeat the step for each credit report as well. Then just select request your credit report. Then fill out the form. Basically just select your legal name, your initial, last name, the suffix, the birthday, your social security number, as well as a social security verification. Then you can also select your current US address, then the zip code, and then the previous US address. Then click on next. Then select from which you want to get the credit reports, such as Experian, TransUnion, or whatever else. Then this website is actually going to boil down everything for you in a very easy manner. So as I repeat, instead of having to wait a year, you can just check it for 4 months each by using these 3 different websites or the services: TransUnion, Experian, or Equifax. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.